friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I am trying to post a craft project every day, or not a craft project, like a video. Sometimes they're craft projects, sometimes they're a Dollar Tree haul, sometimes they're a vlog, who knows. But basically a video every day in October, trying to get ready for Halloween, and then, you know, eventually getting ready for the, I don't know, hopefully I'll keep it up through like vlog days and things like that. We'll see how it's going. But right now I'm trying to post a video every day in October, just getting ready for Halloween. And I'm switching out a lot of my fall decor for just general Halloween decor this year. So I have lots of crafts and different things that we're doing. So I'm really excited. You'll see us carve pumpkins and make caramel apples, all the fun fall things, right? But in order to do a lot of those craft projects, I have to have supplies. So at least once a week, I'm probably going to be bringing you a Dollar Tree haul of all the things that I'm getting. This week is no exception, and I got several things, so I can't wait to show you. The first item I got is not actually Halloween related, but it could be, and I want to make sure I showed you guys this because this is really cool. These are cones. Now, I hauled some little bitty ones. It's been, I think it was back in the summer, like July, and I bought those to, like we were setting up a Nerf Wars for my son's 10th birthday party. It was so much fun, and those were really great. But I'm also in charge. We have a food truck frenzy here in our town, which I am on the committee for, and so we just spent quite a little bit of money on some cones. Now, they were bigger than these, but to block off like parking spaces and different things. And anyway, I noticed that our PD didn't have, like, I don't know what happens to the cones at the PD. They're just gone, right? So they have some bigger ones, but they needed some to kind of like set in front of the cars and things. Anyway, long story, just to let you know that I bought cones, but you can use these for Halloween. So many cute things. You can make candy corn things out of them. You can block off like areas for games or trick-or-treating. So many things you could do. Now, I bought, I think, 4 or 5 of them, and so yeah, these are a good size, and yeah, they're really good. I bought this chain. I think I had bought some last year for a project. I'm not sure. But anyway, I bought this chain. It was super, super cool. And it is for a craft project. So I got that. I also picked up some paint brushes. This is in the new Crafters Square logo. It's not, the brand isn't new, but they're changing their packaging. But I just needed a few paint brushes. Dollar Tree paint brushes aren't the greatest paint brushes in the world, but that's okay. They're only $1, and for small little projects, they work perfect. So this is a new projects on the brain, people. This is a new product I have not seen in our Dollar Tree or any of the local Dollar Trees. This is a undated dry erase calendar. So we're gonna have to open this up on camera. Oh, it has a, there's a surprise. It shouldn't be a surprise. You'd think that they would come with one, but I didn't see one when I bought it. So it has a dry erase marker in the inside of it. That is really cool. So I think that this is really going to be super cool. I don't know the quality of it. Again, I've never seen these before. It is all rolled up, so we'll have to unroll it. I thought this is gonna be super cool. It did come with some, like, it looks like it came with some planner stickers. I'm not, unless they're removable, I'm not sure how that would really work on a dry erase board. I mean, maybe, I bet you could remove them. But anyway, it did come with some planner stickers, so regardless, I mean, that's always a bonus, even if you don't use them on this. It is really taped together here. Okay, so here are the stickers. There's some holiday ones, and then there's some vacation, birthday project, meeting, like 4 babysitter ones, night out, reminder, repairs, card maintenance. Not a lot, but yeah, it's kind of what they look like. Again, it's kind of all rolled up. So yeah, and so that is that, and then this, oh, more tape. So they really have this package well. Okay. To pick up all these pieces of packaging when I'm done. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, there, we got it. Oh, and I will say, sorry, that was kind of loud. I had to pause it there for a second. my craft room has like French doors, like outside. That's where if you see my other craft videos, you see me paint out. That's where my craft room has like a little balcony thing, and so I'm able to paint out there. But I like the door open and it gets loud. Okay, so this is really cool. It does change colors. I don't know if that's a design thing or a fading thing. I don't know. I almost think it's a fading thing. I'm not sure. But whoop! Oh, so anyway, I think once you unrolled this for a while, it would get better. But yes, and then it does have a dry erase marker attached to the back. So this would be really good. I mean, you're going to need to unroll it and get it flat. Maybe tape it to the wall and let it like flatten out. But this would be great for like school calendars and things. And just basically a giant year at a glance calendar. Really, really neat, and for $1, really super good buy. If you guys see these, pick these up. These are really good. Okay, so I picked up several little candle things. I picked up a white candle that is just in the pillar candle. I picked up this fall scented candle. It smells really good. It's like a apple cinnamon, and I also picked it up for a craft project. It is in a jar. And then I picked up this is a, can you see? I have tons of lights on in here, so I don't know if you can see that. But it is one of those LED, like tea light kind of candles, and it is in this cool looking skull. How cool is he? And that is also for a craft project. Speaking of craft supplies, though, I did pick up some of these craft popsicle sticks. I have a couple projects in mind, and I've had a couple projects lately that I thought, oh, I could have used one if I had one. I didn't have one. So anyway, there were 60 of these for $1, so super good deal. I picked up a bunch of candy, all for craft projects. I can't wait to show you guys. I picked up these suckers, and they are like oh, that's really bright. Frankenstein and witches hats. I picked up these suckers that are in the pumpkin and ghosts. Those are really, really cute. I picked up a bag of Smarties, some Tootsie Pops in a little bouquet. I picked up some Tootsie Rolls. They also had these in the like multi-colored ones, but I like the normal ones better. And I mean, they're for a craft project, but you can eat some, right? And I picked up the 6-pack of the fun size Hershey's bars. Like I said, I have several craft projects that are going to be really, really cute projects that you can give to coworkers or send to your kids' school, or just give out to trick-or-treaters. So many really cute projects. You're not going to want to miss it. Okay, some more craft supplies. I bought some fastener dots, again in the new Crafter Square logo. These are basically just Velcro. They have the strips and then they have the little dots, and I needed some of the dots. I picked up these, they're called the Crafter Square, they're felt stickers. And so basically there's some like witches' feet and hats and different things. And these again are the big, like, they're like thick felt stickers. I picked up some googly eyes, because what is some Halloween crafts without a few googly eyes, right? So I picked up a few of those. Another craft supply that I got was some of these are called Chanel stems. Basically, they're pie platers, but that is what they are. So they are in lots of different colors. So I picked up a package of those for some crafts. This is not for crafts. This is some little, these are glass little bowls. They're real small. Let me show you. These are perfect for dip. And so one of the things that I've been doing more to get my kids and ourselves to eat more like vegetables and healthy things is, my mother-in-law used to do this, well, she still does, but it's a really great idea. Like before the food is on the table, she like basically puts a bunch of like fresh vegetables. They have a big garden, they have a big farm, so there's always like fresh vegetables, and even in the winter there's things that she canned and she'll put them out, and some little dips and different things. And it's great, like, because everybody snacks on them, like, and so you get full a lot of times of healthy things. And I've started doing it at our house, and it has worked great. I can put some celery and some baby carrots and stuff, and a little bit of ranch dip in this, or maybe there's a couple different dips that people like or whatever. And anyway, I have bought these before, but I think some of them have just gotten broken over the years, and I think we only have like 1 or 2 left. So I went ahead and picked up a couple, or a package. They come with 4 for $1, so they're, again, really, really great just to put out some dips. But yeah, it's worked really good to put out those vegetables and stuff, because the other night we had chicken Alfredo, which is a really, you know, thick kind of meal or whatever, and I had some salad and different things, and by the time I got dinner on the table, I had put out all these vegetables and things. My kids really weren't that hungry. Like, they ate a little bit of the Alfredo, but not a lot. And I mean, what a, you know, horrible thing, right, for your kids to just get filled up on vegetables, right? So it was really good. I bought this, and this is just a soap container, and I did buy it for a craft project. Well, just kind of a DIY, not really a craft project. I'm going to put a word on it. That's nothing real fancy, but it's super cute. Only $1. As you all know, the Dollar Tree is putting out Christmas things, and so I have been a little bit limited on what I have bought at the Christmas, in the Christmas section, but you know how it is at the Dollar Tree. If you want it, you have to get it when they have it, because they'll sell out and they may never have it, or you know, different Dollar Trees have different things. So I did pick up a couple of things, and especially if you're going to be crafting, go ahead and get it, because you're going to do that early. But the first thing I bought is actually not for a craft, it's actually for a gift. I found a stocking stuffer. I think these are super cute, guys. These are top blocks, and they are basically stickers that you put on Legos. So basically you can turn, you guys know that my husband is the police chief, so these police stickers are great for my small one, right? So these are basically, you can turn like your little Lego figurines into a police officer. You can turn blocks into different things. They have like roadblocks and a flag. Look at that. Is that just not the coolest thing? Anyway, for $1, and it says that you can use them over and over again. And so, yeah, how cool is that? So yeah, so I picked up that just to put in my son's stocking. I picked up this little red door. It's this not the cutest thing. I don't know if this is going to just go on my tree just as is, or if I'll do a little DIY. I don't know, but either way, it's so stinking cute. I'd seen a couple other people haul it, but our Dollar Tree hadn't got them in yet. And then when we went, they had them. So another thing I bought, and I may just put on the tree because they're cute, or I may use as craft decorations, because it can be either one, is these little red trucks. I love these. The little red trucks are still so popular and still so stinking cute. So yes, so I got one of those. Okay, friends, so that is all I bought this week at the Dollar Tree. I scored a lot of fun things, a lot of projects I can't wait to share with you guys. It's going to be super fun. We have a lot of projects coming up this week, so make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notifications, because I'm going to be trying to upload a video I'm trying every day in October. I don't know if I'm going to get every day. I may miss a day here or there, especially on the weekends if we're busy. But you know what? We're going to try it. We're going to get as many as we can. So you're going to want to know when I upload a video so you don't miss those. And anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for spending time with me. Comment down below. I'd love to chat with you guys in the comments below about what you guys are doing for Halloween. What are some projects that you're doing? How are you decorating? All of the fun things. Let's chat in the comments. So I'll see you there. Thanks, guys. Bye.